Look what arrived today. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So we'll start off with the body, molded in green. There's a pin here and a hole here. And lining the two up, it looks like it's gonna fit pretty good. I think the hole needs to be opened up a little bit. But otherwise, just a little bit of bowing. But I think once everything is in place, I think it'll make it fit. Next up, we got a tree of interior parts. Up top, the boot, the package shelf, interior door panels, and these look like grab bars for the door panels. This is more body parts. Looks like we got front end, firewall, some frame pieces. I don't have the coupe, so I don't know what's shared parts, but these look all right. Chassis, again molded in green. It's got the interior tub there. Boy, is that gonna have to be spread to get on there. We got some glass. Got windshield, rear glass, side glass, headlights, and turn signals. I think the rest of these parts will be pretty much shared with the coupe. We've got this exhaust. Looks pretty much the same to what's in the coupe. My friend Brian has a coupe, so I took a look at his kit. Can't see that, huh? We got engine, seats. Looks pretty good. I see we have left-hand and right-hand drive. I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. Here we got the chrome pieces. Windshield frame. A couple little parts, not sure what they are. And I think this one's probably shared with the coupe. Same wire wheels. I think with a wash, these might not be bad, but I think I'll get some 3D printed resin ones. Chrome looks good. There's a decal sheet, here it is. Okay, what do we got here? A lot of number plates. They love those number plates over at Revell, Germany. Looks pretty good. Lots of little bitty decals on there. And of course the instruction sheet. just as a comparison, I thought I'd throw it up against my 246 Dino, and it looks like size-wise it's about the same size. This Jag looked a little small to me, but this Dino looked kind of small to me too. When you put it up next to, say, it kind of dwarfs it. So I think it'll be all right. And there you have it. I'm going to get started on this project tonight, and hopefully have something by this weekend to show you guys. Take care, and see you next time. Bye.